As far as the favorite poet is concerned, that you can hear in my khutbahs or my addresses, most often than not, it is Ghalib which whom I quote. So obviously he is my favorite poet. And why? Because for every situation, you find an appropriate verse of Ghalib to apply. He is a universal poet in the sense that he speaks on every situation and beautifully depicts in what you want to say for that particular situation. So he has better words than you could think of. That is what he says himself, about himself. देखना तकरीर की लज्जत के जो उसने कहा, मैंने ये जाना कि गोया ये भी मेरे दिल में है. Look at the beauty of the expression, that whatever he said, I thought it was already in my heart. So that is where he analyzes himself. This is the most fitting tribute to his poetry.